Fundraisers. This is a document that I made after compiling other fundraiser documents that I found on the internet, combined with years of fundraisers with my 5 children. It is extremely basic, extremely helpful, 2 pages, Google Doc, and it's free. The goal is to simplify the fundraising process and make sure that everyone that's involved with your upcoming fundraiser is on the same page, this page. I'm making this video so that I can give you my free guide, also to create a group chat underneath this video for anyone else looking for fundraiser ideas, and also to give a really quick job description for anyone that's going to attempt a fundraiser, and you can send them not only this guide, but this video. Again, get everyone on the same page, this page. Hi, I'm Bethany Baldwin, and also at the end of this video, as a bonus, I will link a really cute, creative, fun, easy to make, easy to sell craft idea. So first, you're going to follow the link to download the free fundraiser guide. Second, send anyone interested in doing a fundraiser with you the guide and this video. That way you don't have to worry or micromanage. To those of you who actually enjoy providing fundraisers, I thank you, because I would rather visit my dentist than to run a fundraiser. It takes a village. Keep in mind that many other people will feel the same way about fundraisers that I do, but that does not exclude them from being good participants of an organization that they probably joined of their own free will. So, job description for anyone running a fundraiser. 1, supervise the planning and preparations for the fundraiser. 2, supervise the fundraiser day fully, meaning set it up, implement it, and clean it up. And 3, involve the leader of the organization you're providing the fundraiser for. Involve them as little as possible so they can be a good leader and not have to worry about raising funds. Helpful hint, pick a fundraiser that you know you can do easily, or that you have experience doing already, or something unique you have access to that you know other people would enjoy. For example, do you have a pool? You could have a pool party with a raffle, a silent raffle with water-themed donated gift baskets. Please comment below this video so other people can benefit from your fantastic fundraisers, or maybe your fundraiser flops. And check out my DIY fabric flower tutorial that is crazy cute, easy to make, and easy to sell.